Hey guys, so I will be bleaching and re-dyeing my hair today. Basically, I put this semi-permanent color in and my hair was like all over the place as far as like the levels go. Like this was way lighter. Obviously, it like took the color really well, but like the roots didn't, and like also the back, I'm not sure if you can see that. Didn't take it so well, so it's just kind of like blotchy, and I mean, like, I like it so far, but like I could definitely like it better if it was just like the same all over. I bought some 20 volume cream. The lady at the store is really sweet and she was like just helping me out. I was gonna do a bleach bath with dye, like the powder and like all this, but she was like, you should get this instead because it's basically the same thing. I just don't have to buy like all these separate items, and it also has like conditioner. This is what I'll be using to dye my hair, and hopefully I'm not gonna this up. I'm so scared because like I like it so far, but hopefully I don't like fly too close to the sun and that'll be my downfall. So here we go. This is what it looks like down. You can like really see, especially like in that natural sunlight, like just like how different the shades are of pink, especially like underneath too. So I'm just trying to get it all to be like consistent colored just throughout. I'm gonna like section it and then do my roots last, just because that develops faster. So I'll just start like underneath first and like just try to avoid like where the pigment like already took. So that'll be a little hard because it's just like, I don't know, all over the place. So yeah. To bleach your hair and then go over it with a semi-permanent, I would recommend using this. This is what the lady at Sally recommended for me. It's called Age Beautiful Anti-Aging Hair Color. And it is so gentle and like conditioning on your hair. So you just mix one part of that with one part of this 20 volume cream. See, this is 4 fluid ounces and this one is 2 fluid ounces. In my case, I have pretty long hair, so I would do at least 2 of these. So you're gonna use that full bottle and then 2 of these guys. Honestly, I could have done 3, but 2 works as well. You have your mixing bowl and your little paintbrushy thing. And then this is the color that I use. It's called Flamingo. It's Ion Color Brilliance Bright and Semi-Permanent. And I used 3 of those on my hair. I sectioned my hair out where this underneath part is gonna be bleached first, just because it's not the same color all the way. All this stuff up here has like not by the root but on the, like the lengths, it has like the same color consistency throughout, so I just like put that up there, and I'm gonna do my roots last. So just a little update. I'm in my bathroom now. Oh yeah, I also just realized that I didn't buy gloves, so hopefully my hands will be okay. If not, this is the last footage of my hands intact. So let's do it. This is what the first part looks like so far. Let's go see it in the light though. I didn't think I was gonna wash it out so fast, but it like, I could see it just lightening like so quick. So this is what it looks like. It doesn't feel too great. and it's still a little patchy. I probably should have left it on longer, but that's okay, I can always go back. I don't know. Frick. Okay. Oh, by the way, this is how much I have left, and it's like always my downfall is that I don't buy too much because my hair is like pretty long. Hopefully this will last, but it's okay because Sally's is literally like 2 minutes away from my house, so worst case I'll just like run back and be like, help me, with like half my hair. It's okay, I see it all the time. Oh, also, just by the way, this stuff smells so bad. I have the same instinct as I did with the other side, that I'm just like, it's fucking white, like get it off my head. But I'm gonna try to be patient and learn from my mistakes. Also, like, gloves are a fucking lie. I'm fine. And then watch me like tomorrow just like this is it so far. They both look kind of the same. This is a little bit lighter, not too light, but we'll wait till it dries, I guess. Oh, this is my dog. Cricket. Cricket. Who's a good girl? She's dead. Just kidding. Are you dead? Cricket. She's ignoring me. Also, this is what my hands look like, so yeah, I definitely would recommend gloves. Guys, it's literally magic. I have so much left. Just kidding. I added conditioner. I'm gonna go over this like one more time, but I didn't want to just like completely ruin my hair, so it's just gonna be like a less harsh bleach, and then I'll see what I want to do with these roots. I'll probably just use the same mixture that I made, and then just like leave it on for longer, and we'll see if that works. Worst case, I'll just have like a really dope like undercut. I just watched the bleach out. That little mixture I did literally did nothing. I'm gonna go back to Sally's and get some more for my roots. It did like a little bit, but not what I want. I just went to Sally's and got another one. And braided my hair. I did blow dry it, just because it like wasn't drying, but I braided it together and it looks like really cool. Oh, and I signed up for rewards with Sally's because I'm probably gonna be there a lot now. This is my friend Tony. He's the protector, the guardian of the car. I have it sectioned back out, but this time I put the whole right side of my head up because I let that process just a little more. So I'm gonna put the bleach back on. So this will be the third bleach on this side. And then I'll go ahead and do the roots as well, being like the 1.5 like times, because that mixture that I made was not strong enough. So I guess technically this would be like the 2.5 bleach on this side. Washed out the bleach and I'm not super satisfied. I feel like I should have started right here with the bleach and then gone to the underneath part and then to the roots, because like these are super light and then this is really dark. It's just gonna be like light pink, dark pink, back to light pink. So that sucks. I might have to like wait another month to bleach it. I just blow dried my hair. I'm about to put the semi-permanent in, but I just wanted to say like, what, like how is it so like conditioned? Like I've never had bleach that like made my hair like oily. I mean like it is oily, but it's not necessarily bad because it's gonna protect my hair. But like this is insane. My hair is like healthy, not falling out. Like what? This is awesome. Who, me? This is how it turned out. I'm probably like 80% happy with the results. I definitely could have left the bleach on longer here, especially. This is what the back looks like. I do wear hats a lot, so just kind of like hide it until next month when I bleach it again. Plus like this is what the underneath looks like. It's still not consistent throughout like I wanted, but it is getting there. So at least we're making some progress. Lightening your hair like several levels is a process. So, you know, if you go in with like really dark hair, or like for me, I have about like medium to like light brown hair. So for me, I had to lift it about like 4 levels, I think. It is a process and it'll be okay because I don't have anything important to go to anytime soon. It is really fun though. Just like, hey, do you like it? We're talking again. She's not mad at me anymore. If you have like about my natural color to like darker, I would definitely get your hair bleached by a professional. I didn't know what I was doing and it still ended up pretty blotchy. I spent about like, I want to say like $35 in the process, but it's gonna take more time to get it to where I want, and it's also gonna be, you know, like I'll have to buy more product, so it'll probably end up being around like $100 for me to get it where I want. Plus I'm gonna have to make a pigmented conditioner just to like upkeep it as well. Pink is a pretty hard color to achieve, especially like a pastel, so